Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this simple video I'm gonna show you how you can add videos and photos to your CapCut project. So if you are the beginners, you are just going to open the CapCut apps after you download it on the Play Store or App Store. So you can tap on your project to start editing the video, and you can select videos, photos or stock videos available here. For example, select photos, some photos and some videos. Just click add, and the photos and the videos has been added to your project. You are just going to start the editing. Alright, that's it. It's so basically, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.